Shaitanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are discussing the silent features of bryophytes, the second group of plants. We have discussed some general features of these bryophytes. And we have seen that bryophytes show two phases in their life cycle, that is gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase. And in the previous lecture we have started the first phase. The main phase of the bryophytes is gametophytic phase. Gametophytic phase. Today we will discuss the characteristic features of this gametophytic phase. As I have already told you, this gametophytic phase, which is the main plant body of bryophytes, is gametophytic. This main plant body of bryophytes is haploid. It is haploid, dominant, long-lived, and nutritionally independent phase. And the main plant body of bryophytes is gametophytic, and this main plant body, that is gametophytic phase, it is haploid, having n number of chromosomes, dominant, long-lived, and nutritionally independent phase. That is, it is green phase. This phase produces gametes, and the gametes are produced by this phase, that is gametophytic phase. That is why we call this as the gametophyte or gametophytic phase. Now, the silent features, this is the first feature of gametophytic phase. The second feature of this gametophytic phase is the gametophytic plant body, the plant body which is gametophytic may be thalloid. Thalloid means that is the plant body which is not differentiated into root, stem and leaf, and it may be thalloid as in lower bryophytes. In lower bryophytes, which we call as liverworts, the plant body is thalloid, which is not differentiated into root, stem and leaf, or foliose and erect. And the plant body may be thalloid and or foliose and erect. And the sentence is like this: the plant body and the gametophytic plant body of bryophytes may be thalloid or foliose and erect. Thalloidus lekho is brackets में lower bryophytes and liverworts. That means in lower bryophytes, gametophytic plant body is thalloid. Foliose and erect, it is in higher bryophytes. Higher bryophytes, the plant body or gametophyte is foliose and erect. That is bearing stem-like axis, and leaf-like lateral appendage. Ath much as a stem-like axis basis a leaf-like lateral appendage. As I have already told you, this is found in case of higher bryophytes. Yimon is one muci, yanchak mana bryopsida. Third feature, true roots are absent. And in bryophytes, true roots are absent. The function of the roots is performed by rhizoids. And in root some hair-like structures which are similar to roots and perform the function of the roots. And what we can see, two roots are absent. The function of the roots is performed by rhizoids. These rhizoids, they may be unicellular and unbranched or multicellular and branched. यानी rhizoids दोन किस्मन हंद आसान, या आसान unicellular and unbranched या multicellular and branched. Unicellular and unbranched आसान lower bryophyte यानी